How to deploy Hot AXIOS stent. First, apply the return electrode to the patient, turn on the generator, and set it to pure cut. Identify the site for AXIOS stent placement, ensuring the echo endoscope elevator is lowered. Wet the catheter with sterile water or saline and insert the AXIOS catheter into the working channel and advance it until the luer lock aligns with the channel. Now connect the catheter to the generator. Connect the electrocautery cable. Unlock the catheter lock and advance the black control hub until the distal catheter tip is visible. Continue advancing toward the target structure until it makes contact. Energize and advance the catheter into the target, then power off and disconnect the generator, and confirm the catheter tip is inside the target, at least 3 to 4 centimeters, and lock the catheter. To deploy the first flange, remove the yellow safety clip, unlock the stent lock, and retract the stent deployment hub to the halfway point on the handle until it clicks into place. Verify by EUS that the first flange is deployed inside the target structure. To retract and align the stent, unlock the catheter lock. Push upward on the black control hub to bring the first flange so it is gently against the inner wall of the structure. To retracting when the space between the flange and the wall is eliminated, and the inner catheter shifts slightly to the left of the flange, and lock the catheter lock. To deploy the second flange, unlock the stent lock again. Slowly move the stent hub up to the number 4 mark, ensuring the first flange remains in position. Release the second flange by unlocking and advancing the catheter control hub while gently retracting or torquing the scope. Then rotate the luer lock counterclockwise and remove the delivery catheter by pulling upward and out of the working channel.